Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now the government says they have 50 roads under the Spark program where construction is on the way. Now this program is a $45 billion road program to fix. Okay, it looks like this truck broke down and it's fully loaded, it has goods on it. And they're using this wrecker to move it, and it actually broke down in the road. So okay, we're actually driving into Portmore today. Alright, so we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now the government says 3 roads have been finished and 50 are under construction. Now the Spark program is where the government is going to be spending $45 billion to fix roads in Jamaica. Originally, they said 2,000 roads. Then we heard 600 roads, and the program has started. So 3 have been finished, and 50 are being worked on. And we'll keep you guys updated as they start more roads. But it's supposed to be done. The Spark program is going to be done in all 63 constituencies. The program is split into 2 basically. The NWA will work on some roads, and then every member of parliament will select roads in their constituency to be fixed, and that's how they come about the roads. So we're going to go through an article that gives the latest on what's happening with this program. Construction is underway on 50 roads under the Shared Prosperity Through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark program. Minister with our portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Honorable Robert Morgan, provided an update. We expect that by next week we will be in all 63 constituencies, and by the end of June we would have started over 90 of the Spark roads, the minister said. He noted that several roads, including Richings Avenue in St. Andrew, Everest Drive, and Bridgeview in St. Catherine, have been completed. We're still dealing with Harbour Heights, which has proven to be a very challenging infrastructure, he pointed out. Minister Morgan noted that issues encountered during the road works have delayed the start of the projects in some areas. Let's use as an example Everest Drive. We thought it would be a 6-week project. We went there, we found pipes with asbestos. We had to do pipe work which was not a part of the schedule, which has caused delays in other projects in East Kingston and Port Royal, he told the House. Meanwhile, the Works Minister informed that the National Works Agency has started the procurement process for the $1.5 billion quarterly patching program which was announced last month. He said the patching program should get underway in June. Alright guys, so that's the latest on the project. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.